everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 5th to the 9th of December 2022 on Monday. Lily and Biela go all out to help Mondli, while James discovers a shocking truth about the decision he made. Nosipo suspicions about Nkazimulo's shenanigans are appeased by Nonka. Mamlambo and Mrs. Ngema are not happy with the treatment at Kwamasho Police Station on Tuesday. Colonel Mabaso has a difficult task for Nyawo. Nosipo suspicions are confirmed and she's shocked. Hlelo might be forced to cut out the most exciting part of the talent competition on Wednesday. Lily vows to do everything she can to help Mondli. Nkazimule rocks the boat with question about Menzi's real father. Colonel Mabaso promises the perpetrator a maximum of 3 months in prison, then he will be released on Thursday. Colonel Mabaso gives Nyawo an impossible task. Biela and Lily fear the worst, and the talent show gets off to a great start on Friday. Nyawo stamps his authority and shows the police force who the sheriff in town is. The talent show acts pull all the stops. Mogels gets the shock of her life, and a pair of fumbling magicians attempt a deadly act. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.